Hi, my name is Donna from Galavira Jewelry, and today I'm going to show you how to make these wire-wrapped knotted head pins. Technically they aren't really a knot, but the way they're wrapped they sort of look like knots. Now I do have a free tutorial for this same design on my website, and I'll put a link to that in the description below. For this demonstration today I'll be using 22 gauge wire, but I've done these same head pins with anything from 28 to 20 gauge wire and it works very well. What you'll need is about 1 inch longer than the length of the head pin that you'll need. And to start, you just make a bend about 1 inch or so up from the end of the wire. Then you want to kind of squeeze that so it's closed. Then you take your needle nose pliers and you want the next bend to be about 1/8 inch up from the bottom. Then you just bend it down and then bring it around. Move the pliers so you can hold it a little further down, and that'll make it easier to wrap. And you just keep wrapping all the way around till you get to the end. Now if there's a little gap between the wraps, just go ahead and use your pliers and kind of pinch that closed. Once you get to the point where you can't hold it with the pliers anymore, turn it over, then hold the upper portion with the pliers, and then just keep wrapping downward. If you need to, you can use a second set of pliers to help make the wraps a little easier. Once you get to the bottom, you just clip what little bit of wire that's left off as close as you can. Then go ahead and press that in. Now more than likely you'll be able to feel it. Just probably won't be really sharp, but just enough to kind of irritate your skin. So just take a needle file and go ahead and go over that a couple of times. If you don't have a needle file, you can also use sandpaper. That works very well too.